friends, welcome to the new video. This is your Touchpoint official here. More people were asking how to add a YouTube subscribe button in blogger websites, in your blog posts, everything. In Telegram, more bloggers were commenting me, sir, how to add a YouTube subscribe button in my blogger website, in my blog post. I have added some custom YouTube subscribe button. Means no one are subscribing. They are asking real YouTube subscribe button we need it. Example, this is my official Touchpoint official website here. Just I'm clicking some blogs over here. You can see over here. At last, I have added my YouTube subscribe button because already I have subscribed over here. Please subscribe our channel Touchpoint Official here. I added my YouTube original subscribe button. This is been generated by YouTube only, and I added some Telegram subscribe button over here. Join my channel. This Telegram channel we get, I will be showing in the next video. Now we are going to see how to add YouTube subscribe button in the blogger websites. Before getting into this video, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram Touchpoint Official. If you want to join our Telegram channel for help and any queries and questions, please you can join. I will be given link in the description. Now let's get into this video. Okay guys, now you can see this is my website touchpointofficial.blogspot.com, and you can see I'm going to some blog website over here, and below you can see I have added my subscribe button over here. Now I will tell you how to add this subscribe button over here. Now I'm going to show you the, and this is that subscribe button generator website over here. This link I will be given in the video in my website or in the video description. You can download it over there. Go to go to this website by clicking the link. It will say to add your channel name or channel ID. If you add channel name means it will not take. If you want to add the channel name means your subscribe has to be in a million or 1K. It will not take. It has to be in million. Then only it will get subscribe names over here. Now we need the channel ID to provide. You can see the channel ID to. They are saying to add your channel ID. Now I will show you where to find the channel ID. Go to your YouTube dashboard over here. This is my YouTube dashboard. I have already logged into my dashboard over here. Click on this right icon. You can use it if you are using mobile means you can go to Chrome or Google. Go to desktop version and you can see it over there. Just you can see below. You can see the settings option. Click on it. Now this is the dashboard over here. Now we are going to see that. You can see over here view advanced settings. Click on it. Now you can see this is my user ID and channel ID, and please don't share your user ID and channel ID. If you share it, you're going to lose your YouTube channel. For that only I'm not going to tell you my channel ID and user ID. Even you also, please don't share your channel ID, please. If you share it, your channel will be hacked or it will be deleted, because some people are now they are hacking over here. Just I'm copying my channel ID over here and going to that website and paste your channel ID and click on layout. Keep full. You have to keep if your website is in dark theme means please use dark, or keep it as default. Don't do anything. And at below you can see my subscriber is one. If you want to show the subscriber means you can keep it as default. If you want to hide the subscriber means click on hidden. It will be hidden over here. Just I'm choosing default over here, and copy the script what they have given over here. Copy the script. Go to your blogger dashboard. Just if you want to add your subscribe button in the layout in this like this in layout, or if you want to add the subscribe button in the post means go to post. If you are creating new post means click on create new. Add your title, anything. Just I'm adding YouTube series subscribe button, sorry. And in compose maybe if you paste that code means it will not work. Go to HTML view, remove that code and paste it. If you paste this code and you cannot see over here, for that I'm just for you, just I'm showing something like please please subscribe. Just I'm publishing it. I'm going to my website. You can see here my post has been published over here. I'm clicking on it. You can see here the subscribe button is now displaying over here because I have logged in my YouTube. No, for that only it's not showing me. If you logged out means from your YouTube and switching to another account means you can see this subscribe button will be blinking in dark. Now you can see there are in light version. It will be displaying in dark when you log out from your YouTube channel. If you want to add in this layout means like I have added Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You want to add like this button in here means go to your layout and click on, just I will show it directly over here. Go to layout. You can see at sidebar, click on add gadgets, click on HTML, just add something, subscribe and paste that code. After clicking on save, you can see my gadget is on first only. You can see it directly over here only first. You can see that subscribe button has been displaying over here. This is a easy way guys, how to add subscribe button in your blogger. In WordPress also like same only. In WordPress you don't need this script items. You can install your plugins, YouTube subscribe plugin and a YouTube gallery playlist in WordPress. I will show you in next video. For more videos, please subscribe this channel and follow us on Instagram. If you have any queries and comments, please join my Telegram channel, Touchpoint Official. Link I will be given in the description, or visit my website touchpointofficial.blogspot.com. I will be available in 24 hours in Telegram. You can comment me over there. Thank you very much, guys.